Yeah, I'm Professor Anselm Onyimonyi of the Department of Animal Science, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. The Department of Animal Science is one of the pioneer departments that was established at the inception of the university. And we know the philosophy of this university is a land-grant university. So animal science is part of the core subjects of agriculture. And coming from the background of a population that is animal protein deprived, in animal science, my core mandate is to impact on young men and women recent production protocols to raise animals so that these animals will produce very cheap, affordable, and safe products. And in recent time, we have brought on the concept of animal welfare. As we are raising these animals, it must be in tandem with global practices. There should not be any undue harm or human treatments on the animal. You may not ask why this. Human beings need quality food for their survival, and this quality food must come from the producers. And the random practice we do here, if we don't produce men and women that have the key knowledge of the best practice to attain this, then what we be having in the market will not be wholesome. So that's why every time we try to upgrade our curriculum and make sure that we do things that are in tandem with global best practices. And my zero area in animal science is animal nutrition. I'm very particularly interested in monogastric nutrition. What is monogastric? We're talking about the simple stomach animals like poultry and swine. And to further narrate, I'm into poultry science. So we make sure that we get best practices on how to raise poultry so that we can come out with good quality chicken and eggs. And my counterparts, my colleagues in the genetic area, we're also working hardly to see that we upgrade our local breed of chicken. That study has gone on for over 40 years. I think that's the highest surviving research in this part of the world, headed by Professor Emeritus Nwosu. So from the nutritional aspect, we've also done a whole lot to improve on the nutrition of the local chicken. So at the end of the day, we will beat a hand on the chest and say, look, we now have a chicken breed we can call our own that can give us quality meat and egg in record times.